This is my oral presentation English level 2. First of all, introduce myself. After that, tell about my trip experience in Medellin. After that, the weather in Medellin. And finally, a recommendation if you go to Medellin. My name is Juliana Camargo. I live in Santa Rosa de Viterbo. This is my family. She is my best friend. My favorite deport is skiing. It is my dog. I like to read and listen to music. Let's start my trip experience in Medellin. This is my poster. The last vacation I went to the city of Medellin. I stayed there for 2 weeks. I was with my family. I like this city a lot for its parks, monuments. I went to the Botero Park, to the Barefoot Park, to the Park of Lakes, to the Park of Desires. These places are very beautiful. In the last Christmas, I like to go for the decoration of lights. The night before the return flight, I was on skiing ring, and I loved that experience. And come back in the month of March because I started working last Monday. The weather in Medellin. The weather of Medellin is generally warm, but after midday it gets very sunny. No recommendation of the place I visit. Recommendation 1. It is necessary that people protect themselves from the sun rays. Recommendation 2. It is recommended that people hydrate with plenty of water. Recommendation 3. It is recommended to make itinerary before traveling. Recommendation 5. It is recommended to try the typical food of Medellin. Say 3. What you should do if you come to Medellin, you must visit to Botero Park. And what you should do, I would not recommend visiting the communes of Medellin because they are very dangerous. Okay, thank you very much. Good night.